Grigg from Grigg's Road Elementary. Today we're going to learn how to use simple shapes to create a collagraph plate. A collagraph plate is simply a collage that you can print. So what you're going to need for this lesson is a glue stick, a pencil, a pair of scissors, some cardboard that you can use for your plate. I used tag board that was an old breakfast bar container and cut it up from the recycling. Then I got some cardstock. I have purple and orange lying around, so I grabbed that. You'll need some white paper to print on, some kind of paint, a paintbrush, and a paint container. So what are we going to make today? What is our collagraph plate going to look like? Well, today we're going to use simple shapes to kind of create this silly little dog. Let's look for the shapes first. What is that shape called that's like a circle, but it's kind of stretched out longer? That's right, an oval. Let's count and see how many ovals we see in this simple dog. I see one big purple, two medium orange, two smaller orange, two smaller purple. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ovals. And then if we look at the nose, that's a half an oval. The tongue looks like half an oval. I think we can make that. Okay, so I have a pretty good trick for drawing ovals. Take your scrap cardboard or construction paper. I'm using this purple tag board. Fold it in half. Turn the fold so it's on the outside edge. Draw yourself a nice big letter C. Cut on that C. Ta-da! You have an oval. Now, if you do want to make the smaller ovals for the ears, same idea. I'm going to get some of my orange. I'm going to fold it in half. The reason why I always fold it, it's a cool trick to know. If you fold it, draw, cut once, you get two that are the same. Exactly the same. Fold it, draw your letter C. This time it's a little trickier, but let's see what happens. We have one big one, and we're going to cut it in half. Round off our corners. And we get two small ovals that we can use for the ears. To print your doggy, you're going to need to use your black paint and cover your whole collage or your collagraph plate. Remember, a collagraph is a collage you can print with the black. As we layered our ovals to make our eyes and our half an oval for our nose and our little tongue, and even our ears, we created a raised surface. In creating this raised surface, it will allow us to pull an image. That's what it's called when you're pulling a print, pulling an image. So I've painted my dog black. I'm going to lay a white sheet of paper over. I'm going to find my plate, holding it with one hand, and then use my other hand to simply rub. I find that rubbing in a circular motion really works really well. And when you start to see the indentation of your plate underneath, you know that your print is probably about ready. Pull it off and ta-da! You have a very cool dog print. Now, what's special about this is now that I have my collagraph plate, I could print the same exact dog print 2, 3, 5, 6 times, let my paint dry, and then color them all different ways.